Okay, the final one from Oakcha's brand new collection, the Gourmand Crème collection. This one is Milky Bloom, which I have a feeling is going to be a floral gourmand. Okay, the top notes are petit grain, pink pepper, and milk. The middle notes are rose, jasmine, and neroli. The base notes are vanilla ice cream, benzoin, cashmere woods, and musk. So let's check it out, shall we? Let's have a look. Oh, that smells a bit more milky than anything else, any of the others. Hmm. Yeah, quite floral. Fresh. Getting the ice cream coming through already, definitely. Milky. Milky floral. Oh, these are gorgeous. They're all unisex, by the way. All of them. But I have to say that they're quite feminine, apart from the first one, which was very unisex. It was just very sweet, sort of caramel smell. But I think the others are really quite feminine, but they are unisex. I think they're feminine. Doesn't mean that somebody else won't think the opposite. So there we go. That was Milky Bloom. Absolutely stunning perfume. All four of them are stunning perfumes. And I got them in the Black Friday deal. I did get a couple of other perfumes as well. I'll review those another time. But yeah, this was sort of part of my little Black Friday haul from Oakcha. And I will be back very, very soon with some more fabulous perfumes for you. And yeah, check it out. Let's get festive. And I'll see you on the next one.